Now we're going to show you how to use your cab blinds. So you'll notice on the side door there's a little black clip, so you just squeeze that and it pops out. Now there's a magnet strip here and a magnet strip there, so then you very carefully and gently bring this across. If it gets stuck, just be careful because they are delicate, and it magnets to the side. And there's another one on the other side, and then to pop them back you just simply, again, very gently walk them back and lock them in place. For the front windscreen, you'll notice there isn't any on here, so you will be given a stick-on silver window screen for the inside. And then for the outside, you will find one of these in your locker. So this is a thermal screen, so it wraps around the outside of your windscreen and is closed in by the doors, and this is used for heat and cold insulation.